Adding a user to a Jira project involves assigning them specific permissions and roles within that project. Here's how you can do it. Log into Jira. Access your Jira account with administrative privileges. Navigate to Project Settings. Go to the project where you want to add the user. From the project sidebar, click on Project Settings. Access Project Permissions. In the Project Settings menu, select People or Users and Roles depending on your Jira version. This section shows a list of current project members and their roles. Add the user. Click on the Add People or Add User button. This will open a dialog for adding new users to the project. Enter the user's email address or username. Jira will auto-suggest users based on the input. Assign a role. Choose the appropriate role for the user from the available options. Roles determine the level of access and permissions the user will have within the project. Confirm addition. Click Add or Confirm to add the user to the project with the selected role. Verify user access. Ensure the new user appears in the project's user list and has the correct permissions.